Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and when you're camping or exploring the outdoors, you find you need to blow up a lot of things with air. And that can be very exhausting if you're using your breath to do that. And that's why this Flextailgear portable rechargeable pump has really saved my breath. What I really appreciated about this is that when we go camping, we have blow-up air mattresses, and even though they are small, they do take a lot of breath, and by the end of it, I am gasping for air. So I really liked how easy it was. It comes with a bunch of different nozzles that you can choose depending on what type of air mattress you have, and then you can just clip it on, hit the button twice, and it inflates very quickly. I really liked how this allowed you to, again, put that nozzle onto the deflation section of it and then just set it in, press the button, and wait. It took so little time to deflate it, and then you could just fold it up and put it back in your bag. And the best part is that it's not only a inflator or deflator pump, but it comes with a light, which is handy for if you are camping and you need to look for something, or you're in someone's trailer and everyone else is sleeping but you need to go to the bathroom. It's really handy being able to just turn that light on, not waste any battery on your phone. And speaking of battery of your phone, this also works as a battery bank. So it really does so much more than just being a pump. It also has a nice little hook that pops up that you can just clip to your backpack so that you can utilize the power bank feature or the light feature as well. It's such an easy thing to have, to carry. It's so compact. It's just a good idea to have something like this in your camping gear, in your backpack, because it is so useful. And that's my point of view.